and add your reference in your citation. Okay, just like this. Here, and edit reference, then you can remove citation here. Okay, it's very easy and straightforward. Okay. Okay, here you can also edit your citation. Once you insert your reference into Word document and you find out, okay, there are some changes in the reference, I would like to change my reference, you can also change here. Okay, for example, a page here, you want to change it, then edit citation and change it, and okay, that's it. Okay. Next step would be convert to plain text. Okay, so if you want to break the link between EndNote and Word, you can do that. Okay, this will turn all of your citation in Word into plain text. Okay, so this will stop any of your citation from being updated by EndNote. Okay, so always save a copy of your document with the EndNote connection intact, and it is not possible to undo this step. Okay, that means once you convert to the plain text, it is impossible to undo to the previous one. So to break the connection with EndNote and remove the EndNote coding, click here, convert citations and bibliography. Okay, here you drop down and click this, convert to plain text. And it will automatically convert to the plain text, and you need to save a copy of that. That means you have two files, one with EndNote coding, one without. Okay. Okay, so maybe you can practice and we can have a 10 minutes break. Okay.
we can also calculate that. But
Okay, so move on. Okay, so now you need to back up your library. All right. So it is a good idea to regularly back up your EndNote library. So you can open the file menu and select compressed library. Okay, here, file, compressed library. Okay. And select create. Here. Okay, you go to your EndNote library and create and all references in library. Okay. And then next. Okay. So you can change the name of the library, of course, and otherwise you can just select save. And if you get into the good habit of backing up your library often, you can keep the same name for the backup library and override it as you add more citations. Just like this. Okay, so you have this is your backup once you save it, and it's only have one file, as you can see, because it's a compressed library. So if you back up this file and you want to save it to another notebook, to your another laptop, then you can copy this file, okay, and paste it to the desktop, okay. Then when you want to open it, you just double click and it will automatically appear these two files, okay. These two. One is data file and one is the EndNote library file, okay, ENL file. If you did not compress the library file, then if you want to back up your EndNote library, you have to copy these two. Okay, copy these two files. If you only copy this library file, yeah, it won't work. Okay, you need to copy these two. One is data file, one is ENL file. Copy these two at the same time when you back up your library. Okay, and otherwise you can just like this step compress your library. Okay, compress. Then you only have one file. All right. Okay, and we have also additional resources. You can go to these resources. Okay, of course, you can ask library, and sometimes library have the EndNote workshop for students. You can also attend that workshop, and there are some website and additional resources you can get into. Okay, now we move on to another important step. That means how to export your EndNote references to Excel file. Okay, Excel worksheet. It's very important for your systematic review. Okay, since you already finished searching the articles from 5 databases and you import them to EndNote and find out the duplicate and remove the duplicate, after that you have to export your reference to Excel file. Okay, so okay, now we are going to do this. Okay, please follow the step. All right, first you need to go into your EndNote library. Then please go to edit here. Okay. All right. Then go to output style and new style. Okay. Okay. Then you need to click the bibliography here, left-hand side. All right, bibliography, and then template. Okay, template under the bibliography here. Then on the right-hand side here, you have reference type. Right? And you click this and go to journal article. All right. Okay. Once you click journal article, that means this format is for journal article. Okay, the formatting. All right. Okay. Then here for journal article here. Okay. Then you need to click right-hand side. Insert field. Can you see the insert field? Okay, when you click that, you need to click what kind of information you want to export as your reference. For example, you want to have author, title, journal name, and volume issue, whatever. Okay, so the first one up here, you want to be the author, right? Then you click author. Right. You just click author, then it's very important that after author, you need to click tab. It's a very important step. Author, tab. Okay. And then title, tab. Okay. Right. You insert author first, right? And then click tab. And then you insert title here. Just click title and click tab, right? And after that, you can click maybe year, okay? Year here, and you insert year, and after year, you need to insert tab, right? Okay. And then journal, insert journal, and insert tab. So you need to insert tab after each column you want to insert. All right. Okay, it's very, very important. You cannot forget. Okay. Okay. And remember, after the last one, if the last one is page, right? You also need to insert tab. Okay. If the last one you want to insert, the field you want to insert is pages, then after pages, you also need to insert tab. Okay? Okay? Okay. After that, you can click the left-hand side here, the file here. After you finish all your insert, you click file here and save as. Okay. This is just an example right here. Author tab, title tab, okay, journal tab, year tab, volume tab, issue tab, pages tab. Okay. Then, when you finish, click file and save as. Then you give it a name. Okay. Just remember this name. Okay. And any other name you want to put, it's okay. Just remember your name, the file name. Okay. So in this example, I just type practice for my file name. I mean style name, sorry, style name. Okay, so this is the style. This is the output style, right? Because Remember? This one at the beginning, right? Put output style and new style. So this is a new style you want to use. Okay, new style. So you need to give the style name. Okay, so this one, our style name is practice. Okay, then next step, export from endnote as txt file. Okay, so you need to go to export here, go to file and export. Okay, and remember before that you need to highlight the references you want to export. Okay, you need to highlight the references first and then go to file and click export. Okay. All right, and okay, and then you need to go to edit here, edit, edit here and click output style, right? And practice. This is the style name I just said, right? Practice. Okay. Yes. Yes, save as. Yes. Oh, it go into the output style in the endnote. Yeah, that means you create a new style in the endnote, in the endnote. So it will go to the output style list. Okay. Yes. So before you click export, you need to make sure that all the highlighted references have the output style, the one you created. Okay. Before export. Okay. Before you export the references, you need to make sure all the references style, the output style, is the one you just created. All right. For example, I just created the style, the name is practice. So I highlighted all the references and I go to output style and make sure it's the practice style. All right. Is that okay? And not yet, not yet. Once you click export, okay. Once you finish your output style, and then go to file and export, right? Okay, go to this step, and then it will come up this window, right? And here, remember, this is very important. This is the file name. You need to name your file, right? And then here, it's a data type, right? Just remember you need to save as text file. Remember text file. Okay, so you need to change this one. And output style is the one you just create, right? So the example I show here is practice. So practice here, okay? And here, click export selected references. Okay, then you save it. All right. If you did not click this export selected references, that means it will export all references. Okay? This one at the bottom here. All right? If you click it, it will export the only selected references. But if not, it will export all references. Okay? Just remember you need to save as text file. Okay? All right? Fanny is okay? Okay. Oh, why? Okay. Well, we just move on to our last step. Okay. Next, you open your Excel file. Okay, just open your Excel, and then open a file. And remember here, I'm sorry, it's in Chinese, but you can change here, okay, to text file. Okay, you need to choose text file here. And if you just save your text file in the desktop, then you go to desktop and find out the text file. All right. Just remember, you just create a text file, right? You need to remember where you save it and open it. And just Excel there. Here. Okay, text file. And then text file. All right. Then here you click the first one. Okay. It's a default setting. It doesn't matter. Yeah, delimit. Yes, yes. And then next. All right. Next. And here, just make sure the tab. Okay, make sure it's a tab, and then finish. Okay. Then you will see your result here. Okay. It's fine. Okay, that's good. Okay. So you just go into Excel. Okay, Excel, and then open the file. Remember, open the text file. You just save. Okay, and here, just make sure here is text file. Okay, txt. Okay, txt. All right. All right, and then it should, your text file should appear, and please choose that. Open it. So please remember, although you already opened the file in Excel, right now this file still is a text file. Okay, so you need to save as Excel. Right? Now you open it, but it still is a text file. You need to save as Excel file. Right? You save as. So I think that's it. We finished, but I think before our next class, I think we should finish exploring all of your references in the Excel. The five data, the articles we found from database and export them to Excel file. Just what we did right now after we delete the duplicate and export. Right?
Just jumping.